So hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm just going to make a simple oxtail soup. So these are all the ingredients. I just found it in my fridge, so I'm just doing a simple soup here. So I've got 500 grams of oxtail soup, a slice of white cabbage, radish, some potatoes, pepper, black pepper, mixed herbs which contains sea salt, ginger, onions, red kidney beans. This is about 240 grams, so I'm just gonna put half of this one. I'm not gonna put the whole can of this. So 3 garlic, spring onions, bay leaves, and a handful of coriander. So let's start the cooking. So I already put a little bit of olive oil and garlic and ginger. So I'm gonna put the onions now. And once that's turned a little bit cooked, or so this I think this is all ready to pour some water in. Because I don't want the onions to be burned. So I'm putting in that's 500 ml of water. And another 500 ml, a total of 1000 mils. Wait, I'm just gonna get more water. So I'm putting another 500 ml. There you go. So we're just going to cover it for a bit, and then at least 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put the mixed herbs and salt in it. So it has been 5 minutes, guys. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper now. So I had a sprinkle of pepper, black pepper in it. We have to wait for it for at least, let's say, 3 hours. Then let's check back later. So hello, we're back after 2 hours. I already added another 1000 ml of water for the meat to cook. Let's check how tender is the meat now. So it's not that soft like I want it to be. It's not as tender. So it's just on. So maybe I have to wait for another 30 minutes. But in the meantime, I'm gonna put the potatoes now to cook. Alright, I'm just gonna put it on. I'm gonna leave the other ingredients for now, because I want my potatoes to be a little bit softer. Right, I'm going to close it again and let's check it back. So guys, I'm going to check it again after 3 hours. So yeah, this is how the oxtail soup looks like. I'm going to put half a can of red beans now. That's been drained, okay? And the other vegetables. The radish and the cabbage that I sliced already. So I'm just putting it. There you go. So I'm just gonna stir it now. And we just have to wait for the vegetable to be cooked. So that's how it looks now. Okay, we'll check it back again later. So we're going to check the final view of this one. So at the last minute I already put the coriander and the spring onions, but I left a little bit for the final touch. There you go. This is my simple, healthy oxtail soup. Thank you for watching.